Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we are going to, yes, good morning. Now, today we are going to do some topics which are left in our textbook. So, everyone has to open their textbook, page number 30. Page number 30. Now, no one will message in the chat box. Question number C. A number becomes double if it is increased by 8. What is the number? Now I will explain you here.
Ma'am, we have to write in notebook or
See,
textbook.
my dear, I told in the beginning also when I will instruct you when to write, and then you have to write in your class notebook, in your maths notebook.
Ma'am, page number 30.
Page number 30. So, your question number C, in puzzles, in clouds, it is written that a number, any number which we don't know, right? A number becomes double if it is
Ma'am, page number.
page number 30, cloud number C. A
Ma'am, we have
number
to write in
becomes,
notebook, please.
you don't have to write right now. I will
No,
tell
no,
you when to
no,
write.
no.
A number becomes double if it is increased by 8. What is the number? So, how you will find that which
Ma'am,
number? Yes,
ma'am, ma'am,
yes.
what you did the previous one because I got late.
Which child is this?
Rudra.
Rudra, I just started right now. In beginning, I was giving the instruction related to tomorrow's CT. So you stay online after the class. I will explain you. A number becomes double if it is increased by 8. What is the number? Stop message, please. Yes.
Ma'am, 8 is the value of 8.
Yes. The value of x is
The value of
8 will come. So 8 plus 8 is 16. Clear?
826.
That is why when you add, for example, see I given 8 into 2 is 16 and 8 plus 8 is also 16. Double of this, 8 into 2 is 16 and 8 plus 8 also 16. So the number is 8 here. Show me thumbs up, everyone. Now come to the cloud number 8. Cloud number D, sorry. Cloud D says, so before going to the cloud D, I will show you one method how to solve it. You have to write in your notebooks. Arna Agarwal, are you there online?
Ma'am,
Arna, switch on.
Ma'am,
My screen is visible.
ma'am, please do the screen. Yes, ma'am, it's visible properly.
Okay, thank you. Now, can you see the C1? A number becomes double if it is increased by 8. What is the number? First of all, you have to write this cloud in your notebook and then write the answer, that the number is 8. Please start writing. Please start writing, children.
C cloud. Ma'am, what we have to write?
This C cloud and the answer.
C cloud.
Cloud number C. Yes.
In the notebook, ma'am.
Yes, in notebook.
Ma'am,
Cloud number C.
also.
Yes,
Like
question
this, ma'am?
also. Yes.
We have to write.
A number becomes double if it is increased by 8. What is the number?
Ma'am, we have to write this.
Yes. Write
And
this in your
16.
notebook. What is the number? The number is the 8.
Ma'am, please wait.
Done, children?
A number becomes. No, ma'am, please
Double.
wait.
Double if
No,
it is
ma'am.
increased by 8.
I'm done. Ma'am,
What is the number? Write today's date, write chapter number, then write puzzles, heading, and then C. Write the C number.
Ma'am, in notebook?
Yes.
Ma'am, what do we have to write?
Laksha, I gave instructions in the beginning. You have to write the C number, cloud number C.
Thank
A number becomes double if it is increased by 8. What is the number?
ma'am. We have to write this. Ma'am.
Which child is this?
Ma'am, next question, please.
Okay.
Dhyan, we
Go
have to
to-
write question and answer.
Now come to the next puzzle, puzzle number D. Think of a number which can be divided by 2, 3,
Ma'am.
and yes.
I have not written.
You have written the answer in the textbook.
No. Yes, ma'am, I have written.
Write the answer in the textbook and then copy it down after the class.
Okay, ma'am.
This was the answer. Okay? Think of a number which can be divided by 2, 3, and 5 and comes between 25 and 50. How to solve this? Now I will show you on the board.
Ma'am, can I tell how?
Yes, tell. Write the answer in the chat box.
Ma'am, 30 because by 2, when we say by 5, it was able to divide, and only 5 and 0. If the last digit is 5 and 0, only
Yes.
then it will be divided. And then I thought that it was also divided by 2.
Okay.
And 2 only consists of even number, and 5 is not an even number. So it's 0 at the last, and plus
Yes.
3 only dividing by 30.
Yes. If you know the divisibilities of 2, 3, and 5. Okay. Children, my board is visible or my screen is visible right now?
No, ma'am.
Whiteboard?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Now come here. I will explain you how. Question number D. Think of a number which can be divided by
Ma'am, it is seen upside down. Ma'am, it is upside down.
Ma'am, we have to write.
No, you have to understand first.
Ma'am, we have to
Stop.
write this.
No. Stop messaging first.
Please stop answering messages.
Please stop doing messages, children.
Ma'am, it is. Please
Lakshya,
stop.
Because someone is presenting.
children, I'm going to remove you from the class now. Please stop messaging.
You are only presenting.
Can I start my class or I will wait for your messages then?
Please stop messaging.
Thank you.
Please stop messaging.
2, 3, and
Upside down.
now it is clear?
No.
Now?
Yes, ma'am, it is clear.
Thank you.
Ma'am, we have to write this clear only. Ma'am, it's clearly visible.
Okay, thank you. Now come to the topic. You don't have to write. You have to understand first.
Ma'am,
And I will... No. Divided by 2, 3, and 5 comes between 25 and 30. Which number comes between 25 and 50? Sorry. And is divisible by... Yes.
Ma'am, you can move to the right side.
Now?
Yes.
Now it is asking that which number comes between 25 and 50, and this number is also divided by 2, 3, and 5. So for this, you should know the divisibility of 2, 3, and 5.
Ma'am, 30.
Yes. Now how 30 will come? First, you have to multiply 2 into 3 into 5. 2, 3 are 6, 6 5 are 30. So means 30 will come in between 25 and 50. For example, if I give you another number, which number comes between 50 and 75 and is divisible by children, my screen is visible?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
That's not your presentation.
Yes, ma'am.
Not still. Ma'am, it is visible.
Now visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Now board is there?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So 50 and 75. In between 50 and 75, which number will come? And that should also divisible by 2, 3, and 5. Tell me what?
60.
Very good. Very good, Dhairisha.
2 and 5, and then it's direct divided by 3.
Very good, Lakshya Thakral. 60. How? That 2 into 3 into 5 we have done is 30. Yes.
The screen you are presenting, that is mirror image.
Yes, ma'am. It is mirror image.
Okay, okay. Let me see.
Yes, ma'am, it is mirror image.
Now?
Yes.
Okay. Now it is right? Correct?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, children.
Ellen, why there is no screen presenting?
Okay, now you have to see or look at the board. So 2, 3, and 5 and 50 and 75 are the numbers that think which can be divided by which number comes in between 50 and 75 and divided by 2, 3, and 5. As I told you in the last sum, that is 30 was in between the 25 and 50. But now, what will be the number in between 50 and 75? Is 60. How? Because it will be the multiple of 30.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I know this method.
Yes. Very good. So 30 was in between the 25 and 50. Now the 60 will be in between 50 and 75 because it's a multiple of 30. Now,
Because we have to multiply 2, 3, and 5, then answer comes 30, then we have to plus 30 and 30.
yes. Because 30, what is the table of 30? 30 plus 30 is 60. Yes.
60.
As you all know that multiplication is a repeated. What is multiplication is a repeated? Addition.
Addition.
Now,
Addition.
yes.
Repeated addition.
Come to the question number E. Come to the question number E. A small ant climbs 3 centimeters in 1 minute. There was an ant. I'll make this ant. She climbs 3 centimeters in 1 minute. How much she climbed? 3 centimeters in 1 minute, but slips down 2 centimeters. Again, she comes down 2 centimeters. So it means she climbed 1 centimeter in 1 minute. Yes or no?
Ma'am, answer will come 2 minutes.
1 centimeter in 1 minute.
Ma'am, answer will come 2 minutes.
Don't tell the answer here. As I told you that I will explain you in my live session.
Yes.
So 1 centimeter in 1 minute. Then again, it climbed 2 centimeter in 1 minute. And again slip down. So same situation, 1 centimeter in 1 minute again. So total ant climb 2 centimeter.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we have to copy this, no?
No. As I gave you the video also, I sent the yesterday. Yes or no? Now come down. Next topic. Puzzles are, now your home task is to make 5 different puzzles and answer them also. Make 5 different puzzles in your notebook by you. You have to make 5 different puzzles, mathematic puzzles, and write them in your notebook with the answers. Now come to the next. I will present my screen to you. See, here how much time it will take to climb to 2 centimeter? It will take 2 minutes for the 2 centimeter. Now here, they are so lost in puzzles that they do not notice that they have reached the lake. You can see the beautiful lake here, the picture of beautiful lake. It is a very big lake with a small island in it. Here, they are standing on the island. The lake looks very beautiful at this time. There are a lot of ducks making a loud noise. Some children give them popcorn because they were also eating, so they were sharing with the ducks also. You can see here in the picture there are many ducks. Then now comes the exciting part. When you go to trip, when you go to picnic, when you go to enjoy, so you are waiting for rides, you are waiting for boating, right? Here also the children are waiting for the boating. Now the time came. Now they have to go for the boating. They have to choose which boat to take. When you go for boating, there is a list of boats, a paddle boat, different kinds of boat, and the prices also different, and the timing also different. So here also they have given a list of the boat where the names of boats are written, what is the prices of the boats, and what are the time taken by the boats. See, this is the list. You can turn the page and take out page number 32 in your textbook. Here, there is a double-decker boat. The ticket price is rupees 30. And how much time it will take? 45 minutes. The next boat is paddle boat. Children, my voice is clear? Any one child can switch on the microphone and tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. Switch off your microphone. Now, the next boat is paddle boat. The price of the paddle boat is rupees 15 and the time taken by the paddle boat is 30 minutes. You know why the price is less for the paddle boat? Because no machinery is in that. You have to drive that boat. That is why the price of paddle boat is less. Motor boat is rupees 25. Why the price is high here 25? Because this is run by the motor and the motor takes the electricity, battery, right? So the price of this motor boat is high, which is 25 and the minutes is 20 only, because if they give you more minutes to ride, their expenditure will increase, their expenses will increase. So they are giving only 20 minutes here for motor boat. Next, boat with rows. You know how to run the boat with rows? That also by you only, no electricity charges, nothing. So that is why the prices are less. Rupees 15 and that also giving you more time, 45 minutes. Now come to the page number 33 of your textbook. After the picture, the children were very excited. They started boating and now you have to solve some calculations. Come down, there is a question. Indira and Bhanu first went in the motor boat and then took the oar boat. Now, how much did they pay for both the boats? First question is, yes.
Ma'am, I know.
You know it's okay. You no need to write anywhere. I already.
I am not saying I know the answer, so I can say.
No. Now,
5 rupees.
you have to write the answer in the chat box. After when I will say, now write, then only. Now let me explain first. Indra and Bhanu first went in the motor boat and then took the oar boat. What are the charges of the oar boat is 15 and what are the charges for motor boat is 25. So how much they have to pay for both the boats? 25 plus 15 is 40.
40.
Yes. Now come to the next.
Ma'am,
Yes.
answer is 40.
Yes. Now come to the next. How much time did they get for both the boats? Please switch off your microphone. Thank you. Now, next question is how much time did they get for both rides? If you see, they have taken motorboat and rowboat. Timings in motorboat are 20 minutes and timings for rowboat is 45 minutes. So 20 minutes plus 45 minutes is 65 minutes.
65.
Yes.
65 minutes. Not write any answer now.
You don't have to write right now. Okay? I
Yes,
have
ma'am.
already sent a video. You have to write after my class. Now come to the next, children. I'm going to present you screen. Yes, this is on your page number 33. One group of children went for the double-decker trip. They paid rupees 50. There is a one group of the children. They went for the double-decker. They paid rupees 450 in total. So now how many children went for the double-decker? See, look here also on my board. Total they paid rupees 450. So what are the charges for double-decker trip? Double-decker per person is rupees 30. So 450 divided by 30. So how many children went for double-decker? You can see the calculation here. 450 divided by 30 equals to 15 children. 15 children went for the double-decker. Now come to the next. Which boat makes 2 trips in 1 hour? See here you can see one boat is for 30 minutes. So which boat will make 2 trips in 1 hour? So we can say that paddle boat makes 2 trips in 1 hour. Paddle boat which will take 2 trips in 60 minutes means 1 hour. Now come the next, which boat take less than an hour to complete a trip? Less than an hour means less than in 30 minutes. So which boat is showing the time less than 30 minutes? Yes, motorboat. Motorboat takes less than 30 minutes to complete the trip. Which boat gives them the most time taking the least money? Taking the least money, giving the most time is given by the double decker also and boat with rower also, but less money is taken by the rower boat. So more time but less money is taken by the rower boat with the rowers. Now come to the next. Javed went twice for boating. He paid a total of rupees 40 and boated for 50 minutes. Javed went for twice for a boating. He paid rupees 40 and boated for 50 minutes. So which 2 boats did he take? Yes, he had taken paddle boat. Javed took the paddle boat and the motor boat. You can see here the timings for both the boats is 30 plus 20 is 50. 30 plus 20 is 50 and the amount taken by, the price taken by both the boats are 15 plus 25 is 40. So the total time spent on both the boat is 50 minutes and the price taken by both the boat is 40 rupees. Go to the next. Now the trip is over. Children enjoyed different boat rides till 4 o'clock. It is the time to return now. They will not stop anywhere and reach back in 2 hours. So when they started going back, they started at 4 o'clock and they reach after 2 hours to Hoshangabad, means they reach at 6 o'clock. Now, children, your home task is to write about a trip and write everything, like how many children are going for the trip, which place you are going for the trip, which all the things you are taking, how did you go for the trip, how much time it will take. Try to find out the cost of travel for each child. So this is your home task. You have to do this activity. Now come to the practice time. There are 4 very old paintings marked the oldest. So there are 4 paintings. Years are given. First is A, 4,200 years old. B is 1,000 years old. C is 8,005 years old. D is 1,300 years old. So which number is greater out of these numbers? 8,500. It means this painting is very old. Out of these 4, this painting is the oldest painting, which is 8,005 years old. Now, next is one bus carry 48 children. How many children can 3 buses carry? We have done unitary method also. You know here that one bus carrying 48 children. So how many buses will, how many children in 3 buses? 48 multiplied by 3 is 144. 144 is not there in your option, but the closest option in your here is 150. So mark the answer 150. Come to the next. Which pair of numbers added to make more than 500? We have learned more than and less than also. So more than here is when we add any 2 numbers, they will give more than 500. If we add 152 and 241 will also not more than 500. 99 and 29 will also not more than 500. 401 and 91 is also not more than 500. 401 and 91. We can see here 401 and 91. 492, which is also not more than 500. But the B option, which is 321 and 192, you can see here 321 and 192, when you add them, 3, 9, 10, 11, 3, 4, 5, 513. This answer is more than 500. So tick B. Now, you have to come to the next. Yes. Match the following. Cross the Narmad Bridge. They have crossed the Narmad Bridge at 9:10. Looked at Bhimbetka paintings. They reached to see the Bhimbetka paintings as 11:30. At the petrol pump, they reached 9:30. Boating in the lake, they reach at 3 p.m. You can also go through the book and see at what time they reach at which place. Had lunch at 12:30 p.m. Returned to Hoshangabad at 6 p.m. So our extra things are also done. Thank you, children. Now, yes. So our today's class is done. Till here we have learned addition, subtraction, multiplication, forming greatest number, smallest number, and menu chart, all the topics, time duration and all the topics probably covered in this chapter. Tomorrow we have a CET related with the chapter. Please prepare for it. Thank you, children. Bye bye.